You ever look at a piece of machinery and wonder how'd they make that? Chances are sheet metal fabrication played a big part. At AGS-TECH Inc., we're all about transforming flat sheets of metal into useful, durable parts and products. It's a bit like magic, only with more sparks and noise. We're talking about everything from car parts to appliances, electronics enclosures, to those cool metal signs you see in stores. If it's made of metal and has a shape, we can probably make it. Our team at AGS-TECH is full of skilled craftsmen and women who know their way around a shop floor. They're the backbone of our operation, turning raw materials into precision-engineered components. And it's not just about brute force either. We use some seriously high-tech equipment to get the job done right. Computer-controlled lasers cut intricate patterns, while powerful presses bend and shape the metal with incredible accuracy. It's a blend of old-school know-how and cutting-edge technology, all working together to create some amazing stuff. But enough about us, let's talk about the process. Sheet metal fabrication involves a whole bunch of different techniques, each with its own unique challenges and rewards. So let's dive in and explore the world of metal shaping, joining and finishing. First up, let's talk about shaping the metal. You can't just hand someone a flat sheet and say, make me a car door. You've got to bend it, shape it and make it fit. That's where bending, stamping and punching come in. Bending is exactly what it sounds like. We use powerful presses to bend the metal into different shapes, like curves, angles and channels. It's like folding a piece of paper, only a whole lot tougher. Stamping is where things get really interesting. We use a die, which is like a giant cookie cutter, to punch out shapes from the metal sheet. Think of everything from simple circles to complex car body panels. Finally, there's punching. This technique uses a punch and die to create holes in the metal. It's not just for making Swiss cheese, though. These holes can be used for everything from attaching parts to creating ventilation. Now, not all metals are created equal. Depending on the job, we might use steel, aluminum, copper, brass, or even exotic alloys. Each metal has its own unique properties that make it suitable for different applications. Steel is the workhorse of the metal world. It's strong, durable, and relatively inexpensive. We use it for everything from car parts to construction materials. Aluminum is another popular choice. It's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and easy to work with. Think of airplane parts and beverage cans. Copper and brass are known for their electrical conductivity and corrosion resistance. They're often used in plumbing fixtures and electrical components. And then there are the exotic alloys like titanium and nickel-based alloys. These are the high-performance materials used in aerospace, medical implants, and other demanding applications. Choosing the right metal is crucial for ensuring the final product meets the required specifications. That's why we work closely with our clients to understand their needs and recommend the best materials for the job. Section 4. Joining the pieces, welding, riveting and more. So we've got our metal sheets all cut, bent and shaped. Now what? Time to put the pieces together. That's where fastening comes in. We use a variety of techniques, including welding, riveting and brazing. Welding is probably the most well-known. It involves melting the metal at the joint and fusing it together. It's a strong permanent bond that's often used in structural applications. Riveting is another classic technique. It involves joining two pieces of metal using a rivet, which is like a metal pin. It's a simple, reliable method that's often used in applications where weight is a concern. Brazing is similar to welding, but it uses a filler metal with a lower melting point than the base metals. This creates a strong bond without melting the base metals, making it ideal for joining dissimilar metals or delicate parts. In addition to these traditional techniques, we also use adhesives and mechanical fasteners like screws and bolts. The best fastening method depends on the specific application and the properties of the materials being joined. Section 5. Finishing touches, powder coating and other treatments. Okay, we've shaped the metal, joined the pieces, and now we've got a finished product, right? Well, almost. Often we need to add some finishing touches to protect the metal from corrosion, enhance its appearance, or improve its functionality. Powder coating is one of the most popular finishing options. It involves applying a dry powder to the metal surface and then curing it under heat. This creates a durable, protective coating that's available in a wide range of colors and textures. Anodizing is another common treatment, particularly for aluminum. It involves creating a protective oxide layer on the metal surface which enhances its corrosion and wear resistance. Painting is a more traditional finishing option that's still widely used today. Electroplating involves depositing a thin layer of metal onto the surface of another metal. This can be done to improve the corrosion resistance, wear resistance, or appearance of the base metal. Galvanizing is a specific type of electroplating that involves coating steel with a layer of zinc. This provides excellent corrosion resistance, making it ideal for outdoor applications. The finishing process is crucial for ensuring the final product looks good and lasts a long time. At AGS-TECH, we offer a wide range of finishing options to meet the specific needs of our clients. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of sheet metal fabrication. If you want to learn more about our services or need help with your next project, head over to our website at http://www.agstech.net.